Do not get high BP because everyone is your reality. Okay? So be happy about, calm about all the life. Accept everything. There are four levels: complaint and acceptance, being grateful, and oneness. Complaints is lesser energy. We're losing energies. We're getting high BP. Acceptance is next level. We accept, we are relaxed now. But acceptance is only less level. The greater level is being grateful to that, being appreciating everyone, thankfulness, expressing gratitude to everyone. At least one needs to be in the gratitude level. Not complaint level is all unhealthy level. Gratitude level one should be. Next level is oneness level. I am the God. I am in everyone. Feeling the Godhood every time. So which level one you are in? Check every time. Every 1 hour, every 30 minutes.